Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add hyperlinks to Outlook email messages. This is an incredibly useful skill that allows you to share web pages, documents, or even create clickable email addresses within your messages, making your communications more interactive and professional. First, you'll need to start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, log into your account and wait for your emails to load in. This initial step ensures you have full access to all the email composition tools you'll need for creating hyperlinks. Once your email has loaded successfully, it's time to access your email tools by clicking on the New Email button. You'll find this button located on the top left part of your screen. Clicking it will open up the email composition window where you'll craft your message and add your hyperlinks. Now here's where the magic happens. On the email composition window, adding hyperlinks to your email message is actually pretty straightforward. Look at the top side menu and click on the Insert tab. This tab contains all the tools you need to enhance your emails with various elements, including links. From here, you'll see the link option. Go ahead and click on it. A hyperlink window will appear, and this is where you'll configure your link. Look at the left side menu, and from here you'll notice you have 4 different options available. You can either create a hyperlink with an existing file or a web page, link to a specific place in your document, create a new document, or even create a clickable email address. Select the one you wish to use based on your needs. Once you've made your selection, fill in the text to display field. This is where you type in how you wish to show your hyperlink through text, essentially what your readers will see and click on in the email. If you're using the web page or document option, you can add in an address in the provided field below. This is where you'll paste or type the URL or file path. Now, if you wish to hyperlink a document or an existing file from your computer, the process is equally simple. You'll need to locate the file on your computer through the Look and drop-down menu. This allows you to navigate through your computer's files and folders to select the specific file you wish to add. Take your time browsing through your directories until you find exactly what you need. Once you've added your web page address or selected your document, simply click on OK to create the hyperlink. The link will now be embedded in your email message, ready to be clicked by your recipients. And there you have it. You've successfully added a hyperlink to your Outlook email message, making your communication more dynamic and useful. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.